Hi, I'm Lauri Stricker, and I want to show you how to use the wall to do some really great core work. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to use this band here because I consider hips to be part of core and place it on the outside of my legs just to create a little more stability and engagement. If you don't have one of these kinds of bands, it's no problem. You can always use a belt or a TheraBand that you can tie a knot in. Something like that works just fine too. So, if you have a mat, place it on the floor next to your wall. Otherwise, some nice soft carpet will work too, or a towel or a blanket. Step inside your band. If you have narrower hips like I do, you want to place it to the outer part of your lower leg. Otherwise, your upper leg works great as well. Sit back a little bit behind your sits bones with your knees bent and anchor the balls of your feet into the wall and your heels dig down into the floor or your mat. Start with some really mini rollbacks and kind of warm up to this. So curl back from your tailbone, tucking under a little bit, scooping your belly, and then press through the balls of your feet to roll back up. So inhale, curl back. Exhale to come back up. Once that's feeling good and you've got your shoulders nice and relaxed, take it back a little further on your full breath. Press through your feet, anchor, and curl back up. Continue to press wide with the band, dig through your heels into the floor, press through the balls of the feet, and roll back up. So you see I've got my hands on the back of my legs for a little support. If you want this to be a little more challenging, reach your arms out in front of you, but soften those shoulders down. Inhale, and exhale, roll about halfway back. Full breath, roll all the way up. Let's take this down to the shoulders. If this was a good place for you, stay where you are, but more challenge again, roll it all the way down, nice and smooth, to the floor. Reach your arms up over your head, wherever your range of motion in your shoulders permits you, but keep knitting your ribs, sinking your belly to your spine. Inhale, lift your arms, lift your head, peel yourself away from the mat, anchor through those feet and legs, and curl all the way back up. Let's take that again. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, roll down, reach over your head, feel your shoulder blades down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, lift your head, peel and curl all the way back up. Let's do one more here. Inhale and exhale, imprint your spine. Keep your core engaged. So belly to spine. Keep drawing the ribs down and in. Inhale, exhale, your head floats up. And curl and peel all the way back up to seated. Now a great exercise to follow that with is a shoulder bridge. So let's roll all the way down to the mat, prepare for the bridge. Inhale, exhale, roll all the way down. Release your feet from the wall and stand your feet onto the floor about the width of your hips, where your fingertips can almost reach your heels to touch. And then spin your arms close to your sides. So your biceps are spinning up toward the ceiling. On your inhale, lift your hips, and exhale, come up as high as you can, reaching your knees forward and your thighs up. Wiggle your arms in a little bit tighter, and feel how you can press down through your arms. Press down through the L shapes of your index fingers and thumbs, and then soften through your throat, through your spine, and sink all the way down until your hips come down to the mat. Let's do that again. Inhale, curl the hips. Exhale, come up really high into your bridge. Open the front side of your body and feel the back side of your body really strong. And then soften and roll all the way down to the mat. Last time, inhale here and exhale, roll all the way up. Feel your heels pulling to your fingers pulling to your heels, and then soften all the way down to the mat. Once you've released your hips down, go ahead, release your legs from that strap. And finally, last thing we'll do here in this little mini workout is figure 4. So if you pick up your left foot, cross your ankle to your right knee and flex that left foot, then reach behind the right thigh and pull it to you. Keep lengthening your tailbone down into the mat. Keep the back of your neck long. And basically keep those shoulders down relaxed too. You want to keep your hips square and relax into this stretch. We're going for the back of the left hip, the back and side of it. Maybe rocking side to side a little bit feels good here too. After you've taken a few breaths with this, let's go ahead and release and repeat this on the opposite side. So now, right foot crosses in front on top of left knee. Flex your right foot, that protects your right knee. Reach through your legs, grab the back of your left thigh. So interlace your fingers. Soften your shoulders down. Let your hips relax and your shoulders, and take a few breaths here. So feel the length of your waistline. And when you finish that, go ahead and release your hands, uncross your feet, uncross your knee and your foot, and then roll to the side and press all the way up to seated. And thanks for joining me for this little mini wall workout. I look forward to seeing you in class soon. If you like this video, go ahead and click like and maybe hit the bell so that you'll continue to receive new videos as we make them. Thanks again. See you soon.